A little update. This past August was the second hottest on record, according to NOAA. August was 1.66 degrees above average for the last century. In fact, the 5 warmest Augusts have all happened since 2014. 2016 was the warmest August on record. Here's some graphics of it globally, and you can see there are a couple of little tiny spots that were slightly cooler, but globally it was extremely hot, and it was also here in Colorado. As a matter of fact, our August was 2.9 degrees above average, the 3rd warmest on record, and we only had a little over a half an inch of precipitation, so it's definitely hot and dry. 6 of the 10 hottest Augusts in Denver have occurred since 2000, and our records go all the way back to 1872. This is, of course, linked to global warming. Each molecule, carbon dioxide, acting like a feather in a down comforter, making a blanket around the planet, trapping heat from escaping into outer space. What we have seen is that the carbon dioxide is increasing. The levels are rising about 2 to 3 parts per million annually from the burning of fossil fuels, starting at about 280 parts per million at the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, now 411 parts per million. And the heat's going into the atmosphere and the oceans, causing our weather and our global climate to change. Brand new essay posted at the top of my Facebook page, Mike Nelson, Denver 7. Read it, share it, and ask me some questions or comments. All right, here's what we expect this evening. 77 degrees by the time we get to the 7 o'clock hour, cooling to about 67 by 11 p.m. No rain, folks. It was a hot one today. 88. Normal high is 79. There's the CO2 at 411 parts per million. By the way, you might not think that's very much, but if that was carbon monoxide in the atmosphere at that level, we would be unconscious and close to death. Now, carbon monoxide is poisonous, CO2 is not, but CO2 is a trace gas very good at trapping heat. Right now, mid-80s. 13% humidity. Tonight, isolated storms at best on the plains, a few showers late in the mountains, but they won't amount to much. Mild tonight. 58 in Denver, some low 60s down over the southeast, 40s in the mountains. Front range numbers mostly in the 40s in the mountains by morning, upper 50s to near 60 in the morning, back to the upper 80s with a very slim chance of any rain tomorrow afternoon. As far as statewide, some low to mid 90s over southeastern Colorado tomorrow. So tonight, partly cloudy, mild, and 58 for tomorrow. The high temperature at 87 degrees. Looking ahead, a gradual cooling trend. 82 on Wednesday, a little bit better chance of some showers Thursday, but not a whole lot of moisture. And then this will be really pleasant. Look at Friday through Monday in the 70s, nighttime lows upper 40s to low 50s. Just some beautiful weather. Getting reports that the fall color is a little late this year, maybe by 5 days or so. So this upcoming weekend should be very good for fall color viewing, as should the next couple of weekends after that.
All right, good to know, Mike.
All right, thanks, Mike.